Hello, my name is Roel Heremans. I'm a transdisciplinary artist working with sound, composed introspection and neurofeedback. I'm here at the Ars Electronica Futurelab right now, which is very exciting. And so while working with them, like with imagination and brainwave data, I stumbled upon an ethical framework that I found really interesting. The NeuroRight for mental privacy, NeuroRight for personal identity, free will, equal access to mental augmentation, and protection against algorithmic bias. These 5 NeuroRights really gave me a framework somehow to think about being human in a world where these BCIs or brain-computer interfaces are like everywhere. And I'm here to prepare 5 of these installations that I call the NeuroRight Arcades. They will be shown at the festival between 7 and 11 of September, and I hope to see you there.